Okay.
I realized as I was doing this, I forgot how to make like the histogram charts.
Oh, because we're using a different. No, we're still using the same. No, we're not. We're not using the same thing, are we?
Yeah. I even went back and it didn't look the same as it did in the textbook, so I was really confused.
Well, we don't need to make a histogram on the quiz.
We don't? Okay, good.
See, it helps when I work ahead.
Okay.
Oh, I'm like trying to get the stuff off my screen, and it's the little bit of letters that didn't move up. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's not something on my screen. The quiz.
Okay. Okay. I think I have everything open now.
Okay. I'm trying to like submit like 3 different assignments all at once, and it's driving me crazy. Okay. All right, I'm here.
Yeah, I've done nothing but homework today, so, and I didn't get sleep last night, so.
Oh, that's fun.
But I seem to be more productive on these days.
All right. Okay, so you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, for some reason that didn't say. Okay. Question 3 says, in previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about standard deviation. What has changed?
So we're assuming it's unknown.
Yeah, that's what my guess was, according to what I read in the textbook.
Yeah, and answer number 4 on the practice thing asked for 2 things that were different, and one of the answers was that
the sigma is not known.
Sigma is unknown. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Next question.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Do you want me to do this one and then?
Yeah.
For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be the. I liked how she was calling it "ho" on the video. Did you see the videos? The null hypothesis is mu equals 8, and the alternative hypothesis is mu is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample of size n equals 9 and computes x bar equals 11, and sample size equals 6, or sample mean equals 6. So question 4 is the sample deviation known? Well, it actually says up there, assume the population standard deviation is not known.
Mm-hmm.
So no.
Yep. Okay. What is the value of t?
So this is the one I'm not positive if I did it right or not. But the the t-distribution formula is t equals x bar minus mu over s divided by the square root of n. So I took the x bar as 11, and then I took mu as 8 because that's what the null hypothesis says. And then I put it over the s being 6 and the 9 being the n.
Yes, that's how I wrote it out. Let's see what the answer is. Is that what you guys got?
What did you say you got?
1.5.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. So it's the 11 minus the 8 over the 6 divided by the square root of 9, right?
Right.
I'm getting 10.5. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
What was that?
So do the 6 divided by the square root of 9 first, and then do the division of the 11 minus 8 divided by what you get for the other.
Okay, let's see. Just
You still getting it?
no, I'm getting something completely different.
So
I hate not having a stupid calculator. Okay.
the square root of 9 is 3, if that helps you. So it'd be 6 divided by 3.
See,
Stacy, you sound so different today than you did on Tuesday.
Yeah, I was not feeling well at all.
Aww. I could tell you didn't feel good because you were just kind of like not there.
I'm like, wait, what? Please tell me.
well, see, okay, so this is where, okay, so yeah, the square root is 9, and I'm dividing that by 6, right?
No, you want 6 is divided by the square root of 9.
Which is
6 divided by 3.
Yeah.
right,
Which turns 2.
right?
And so then the top number would be 11 minus 8, which is 3. So it'd be 3 divided by 2.
Okay, I think, so maybe, okay, so then basically I have to do everything in parts. Because it's not, like when I put it all in, like it's not giving that to me.
Yeah, I do mine in parts too, just like Kelly. Like Kelly said that she did.
Yeah,
because usually I'm able to like put it all in, but okay.
I used to be able to, and even on the same calculator that I was doing that on before, I'm having issues now. So
Okay.
I just started doing parts.
Yeah, I just always did parts.
That's why I assumed that was your problem, because that's been my problem.
Yeah. Okay. Got it now. I got the answer.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now this next one made me mad because look at all these numbers they give you. You can't copy and paste that.
Right.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
But it says copy and paste, but you can't.
Oh my gosh.
So I hope I entered it in right. I'm not typing it in again, just FYI. And don't forget to fill in the confidence level, the null hypothesis, and the type of test.
Wait, what software is it talking about?
So it's the quantitative inference procedures thing. It's new from the textbook in this.
Oh, okay, okay, I see it.
Okay, I actually went ahead and typed it back in because I decided that was rude of me not to. But I took a picture of the other one, so I don't have to do that one again.
Go home.
You know what I just realized?
Huh.
If we have the textbook open, we could copy and paste because it says the data file body temp.
Oh.
That's nice. I've typed it in like 3 times tonight.
Okay. And why I am drawing a blank. Like, what do we do after we
Okay.
type it all in?
So you typed in all the numbers in the A thing. Go
Yeah.
to the middle. So go to D9 and it says confidence level.
Uh-huh.
Well, they're telling us that the A thing, I can't remember what it's called now, is 0.05. So that means your confidence level is 95%. So 0.95.
Okay, so
So
I That's in 9. I have that in there.
Yeah, that's already in there then. Okay, so then the next thing is null hypothesis. And our null hypothesis is that mu equals 98.6. So you type in 98.6 in D10.
Okay.
And then in D11, click on that and go to the drop-down menu. And our alternative hypothesis says that mu is less than 98.6. So choose less than.
Okay. All right.
What are you looking for? That's right there on top of that video. Close the door behind you, please, all the way. And then you should have all your stuff filled in.
Yeah.
So it's asking for the X bar, which is the sample mean.
Yes.
It just says mean on there.
Yeah. So it would be the 98.220.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking, but for some reason I just totally drew a blank on all of that.
I know, because it doesn't say sample mean.
Yeah.
It just says mean.
But we have to remember that they're always the same for what is S?
Yeah.
What is S?
So if you go up, the next box to the right is the standard deviation.
Yes. 0.922. T-score.
So that's the bottom left.
Which is a negative 1.843, right?
Yeah. And then they want the p-value rounded to 3 decimals.
Oh, wow. So 040.
Mm-hmm. So did you guys watch my video?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
My computer froze, so hold on.
Oh.
No. Okay, there it goes. All right, so we're on number 10.
Yeah. So did you guys watch her video? I can't remember if you said you did or not.
No, I did not.
Okay. So I loved her way of remembering if you reject the null hypothesis or if you fail to reject it. She said if P is low, so if P is less than the 0.05 or 0.01 or whatever it was at the top, which for us it was 0.05. If P is low, then HO must go. So you reject the HO, you reject the null hypothesis. And if P is high, keep the guy. So you fail to reject him. So P is lower than the 0.05 because it's 0.04. So it's low, so we reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
So I love that. I'm like, I can remember that.
Oh, let's go. I can remember that.
If P is low, HO must go. I'm like, yes, thank you.
I know. It's like, why didn't you teach us that stuff first?
That's how they should teach math.
Oh, man. Okay. So we got this next one.
Yep. So now a whole new series of numbers. But you guys now know you can go into the book and get the baby boom thing.
Completely have no. Okay.
Actually, you know what? Well, hold on. That might not be. Do you guys have your phones?
Yes.
I'm going to send you something.
Okay.
Oh, except for that wasn't the whole picture. Oh, well. I thought that would be helpful, but it wasn't. Because then you wouldn't have to go back and forth and copy all the numbers. But I didn't give you the numbers. I gave you the answers. I didn't give you the numbers.
Oh. So,
oh, you know what, though? I did it wrong because I didn't change the confidence level.
That's what I was about to ask. I was like, weren't we supposed to change it? Because it's...
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
But I think it stayed the same. No? Maybe not.
Well, and then the less than should be not equal to.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ooh, I'm glad it didn't send the answers in. Although the p-value did stay the same. Let's see.
I think it changed. Mine changed.
I got the same one. Oh, and I erased. Oh, no. So I took a picture. I must have changed stuff because I got the right answer. I have the right answer written in the box. So I must have changed it before I took the picture.
You have, well, I have the 0.995.
Yeah, that's the answer that I have actually in here and saved.
Oh.
But my picture does not say that. Oh, I know why. Because later on it tells you to change that. That's why. So I was getting answers for later on in the quiz.
Oh.
Oh, I'm silly.
Okay.
You guys aren't cheaters.
Okay. Sorry, it took me a minute to figure out what the heck was going on. Is the P? Oh, hold on. Okay, 40 and... Okay.
I would have totally trapped you guys if you guys had cheated. Because I would have had the right answers and you guys would have had the wrong answer. That would have been so mean.
We would have been like, Kelly,
how did you do that?
I'm just kidding. Oh. So what do we do with the level of significance again? Does that have anything to do with this chart?
Wait.
That has to do with...
So the level of significance is the 0.01, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So that tells you that you want 99% for the...
99% for confidence level.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I think I have it all in here now.
So your null hypothesis is 40, and the type of test is not equal to.
Yes. And then what was it wanting? What was it asking?
The p-value.
The p, yeah.
Did you get like 0.995 for that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then remember, if p is high, keep the guy.
Yeah.
So we will fail to reject.
Yep.
Ledger. So that's less than.
Yep. So for 13, you just change it to less than.
And it decreased. right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So on this one, it's still more than the thing because we were going off of the 0.01% or the 0.01. So P is still high.
So we still fail to reject it. Oh, we got different ones.
Oh, so this is still the same numbers. You just have to do the interval.
Waiting first at a hospital.
So we have to change the 95%. So instead of 99, it's now 95. Because we were doing the waits at the hospital.
The other girl in my group.
5. Do we switch anything else or just say confidence level?
It doesn't say to change anything else, so.
So did you get 23.499?
Yes, but it says to round to 1 decimal.
To 1 decimal? Okay.
So 23.5.
Would it be 20? Oh, okay. Wait. Okay.
And then the upper is 56.6. No.
Yes, they are actually on here. So give me just a couple more minutes and then I'll call you back. Thank you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Shall we submit?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see.
You're tired? You're tired? Really?
Yay.
Did we do it?
Yep.
I'm like, my computer's so slow. Yes, we did it.
Well, I've been taking these quizzes in the child development class where I feel like I know this stuff up and down and left and right. And because I worked with children for 15 and a half years and it was all about child development. And I have 4 babies, right? And I keep getting low grades. And then we keep getting 100% on these tests. I feel like we know nothing about it. I'm like, what in heaven's name? Why do I keep, and I don't get to do retakes at all in this other class.
Oh, no.
And I'm like, I don't get it. How is it that I actually know what I'm talking about in this other class and I can't pass these quizzes to save my life?
Maybe if you had us with you.
Yeah, right.
That's totally the difference. It absolutely is, because I think you get that confidence and you're like, yes, I can do this. But with us, we can talk about it and be like, oh, wait, hold on, I missed that. And
Yeah.
Well, that's like me. Like when I take like the homework quizzes on my own, like I have to take them twice because the first time I don't do that good.
Yeah, no, it's totally different doing the homework quizzes than doing this with you guys.
Yeah.
All right, well, now I get to go interview my sister for another class.
Fun. All right. We'll see you next week.
All righty. See you guys later.
All right. Bye.
Bye.